Hi, Julie here. So we're going to do a short chair yoga practice for the lower body now. This is part of the Feel Better Altogether course, but of course you may not be doing the Feel Better Altogether course, and then you can still have access to this short somatic chair yoga practice. So when you're ready, let's get mindful, let's get grounded into the body, out of the mind. So you might have had a really busy day. So I'm going to just start to pat my feet on the floor. Good. Really good. Now I really want you to get your heels gently patting. Nothing too hard, but flat-footed, patting on the floor. Okay. So I'm going to try and come up with rhythm. And then I'm going to go a little faster. And a little faster. Good. And then a little faster, as fast as I can. Now I'm going to breathe. Slow it down, slow it down. Good. Just coming to the center, take a nice breath in. And I just want you to notice all of the sensation moving up through your feet. All the way up through your legs. See if you can draw it up with your breath. Up into your hips and up into your body. And you can actually do that by visualizing it. Just pulling it up, up, up. Ooh! That just made me shiver. Okay, my angels, let's go and have another go at this. So I want you to breathe while you're doing this. Gently patting, gently patting. Good, good, good. Good. Get a little pattern going, making sure that there's nothing hard on any point of your feet. So you've got nice flat feet. And then when you're ready, get a little bit more energy into it. And breathe. I want you to visualize stomping on the things that have gathered in your body. All the energy, all that stuck energy from all those critical thoughts, worry thoughts, anxious thoughts, okay? And release them, release them, release them until the legs feel really slow it down, slow it down. Good. Just sit and breathe. And again, just notice all the tingling, all the sensations, and I want you to breathe it in. Breathe it up from your feet, up through your body, that's it. All that tingling, all that sensation, good. Just allow your heart rate to slow, that's it. Really, really good. Oh, I can feel pulsing in my hands, my shoulders. Ooh, really, really good. It's a really great way to release energy. So we're just going to have I know it's a lower body session, but we're just going to roll around the shoulders because we're carrying tension and tightness up the top of our body. It's hard to focus down below. Good. So I'm just going to rotate round and do this really slowly and mindfully. See how wide and big you can make them. Really, really good. And then rotate the other way. Really, really good. I'm just going to have a lovely stretch over with my arm. Take a nice big breath in. And then I want you to look over the empty shoulders. So it should be empty there. There should be nothing there. Good. Wiggle your fingers. Lovely job. And just breathe. The breath alone will shift that shoulder blade and stretch it for you all the way around that shoulder cuff. Lovely job. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. And we're just going to shake it out. Good. And now we're going to switch sides. This lovely arm's going to come up. Good. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. Take a big breath in. And then just gaze over the empty shoulder. Yeah. Keep the fingers wiggling because while you're gazing, we can do a number of things at the same time. And take a big breath in. And allow the space inside to create the stretch and space over the shoulder blade, over the shoulder cuff, really good. And then just another rotation, good. Lovely. So I'm going to sit nice and tall, make sure my heels are under my knees and my shoulders are under my hips, good. Wibble wobble my head, a little bit too forward, a little bit too far back, side to side, and sit nice and tall, good. So I'm going to start with some rotations around my hips. So I'm going to sit nice and tall, I'm going to pick up my leg and with a big circle round, good. Let's do the same one 6 times, and in, good. Breathing in and out, good. And notice each time I'm putting my foot down on the floor, rotating it round and down. Now, if you can't go as big and as wide as me, that's fine. Just make sure you're breathing and doing whatever is right for you. Because if it's right for you, it's perfect. I've got my body and my body does what my body does. Your body does what your body does. Good. We're on our 6th time here, I think. Lovely job. Come into the middle, have a little thump, 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 thump. Good, let it all loose. Have a dance in and out. Good, keep it loose. Nice and tall again. Put my hands on my hips and I'm going round. Good. And the reason why I keep my hands on my hips is because it's making me work that knee and the hip flex. It's good. Opening out. Good, we want nice open hips. Nice breath in. Go slower than me if you need to. Good. See if you can keep. Oh, that's it. Rotating around. And the last time I think this one is. Good. And back. Good. So now I'm going to walk my legs out. We're going to do it the other way around. So from out to in. Good. So my toes are pointing the same way as my knees. I'm nice and tall. I've not got my back against the back of that chair. I'm the one doing all the work. Good. So nice breath in. Now, if you need a bit of support, you can have a strap now to do this. But if you can manage, let's have a go. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Big round as you can make it. Breathing in, breathing out. Good. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, take your time. And breathing out. I've got one more, I think. Breathing in. Oh. And breathing out. Good. Sit tall. Just make your knees go in and out. And in and out. And in and out. Good. And I'm just letting my toes roll over the floor. Good. Lovely job. One more time. Sit tall. Lovely job. So here we go. We're doing the other side. Nice breath in and out and in and out. Good. Really seeing if I can make that knee work, because you can actually feel the whole of your hip working so hard to pick up your really heavy leg. That's it. And just remember how incredible your body is. Yeah, it will never give up. It's always your mind that gives up. Your body will keep going. Good. Last breath in and out. Good. Really good job. And knees in, knees out. Good. Just do one and then the other. One and the other. Good. And we're just shimmying, loosening everything up. Good. Come to the center. Do a little thump on the floor. Lovely job. Sit nice and tall. Good. Bring a knee up to your chest. Now you can put it behind your knee if you've got any knee problems. Just have a little stretch. You can use a strap as well, just to hold the knee up. And then if you bring your chest slightly closer to the knee and drop it down, pull this one up and have a little stretch. Bring the chest slightly closer to the knee. Good. Let it go. Pulling forward again and let it go. Good. So we're going to do some hamstring stretches. So I'm going to make sure my bottom is on the chair. Toes are pointing up towards my shin, and I am going to put my hands on my bent knee. This bent knee should be 90 degrees and the heel should be under the bent knee. Take a nice breath in. Now we're not going to plant ourselves forward, we're going to breathe in and pull our chest forward and keep our chin up. Good. Should notice the tension up the back of your leg from your heel. Good. Breathe in and come out, and then breathe out on the way down. Good. Breathing in and out. Now you are elongating and stretching your own hamstring, okay? Whilst I am elongating and stretching my own. So I want you to notice what is going on in your own hamstring, in your own leg. Good. Stay mindful and listen and feel what's going on. Good. Quite often we do stretches and exercises without actually being engaged or mindful about what's happening in the body. And the body is a spacesuit. It doesn't have a mind of its own. So when you leave it, it can get injured. So it's just about being present and mindful. Good. Coming out, give your leg a little pat and say something nice to it. Good. I'm going to swap sides. So my left leg's going to come out. This knee is bent. I'm drawing my toes towards me so I can feel the hamstring engaged and ready. Leaning in on that bent knee. Keeping my chest raised and my chin raised. Good. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing out on the way down. Good. I think I said the opposite there, so good. And again, I want you to notice your own edge, your own tightness in your hamstring. Good. Breathing out. And then in. And the last time, just stretching it one more time. Good. And gently up. We can tap, tap, tap the leg. Wonderful job. Okay. So I need you to go off and get a block or something you can press between your knees. It could be a pillow or a book that's quite wide. Just something you can put a little bit of pressure on. So I went and got one. And I'm going to put it between my knees, okay? So we're just going to do a little work of squeezing the inner thighs, so we can work the outer thighs and the hip flexors, but we want to just have a little work on the inner thighs. So put the block between your knees, sit nice and tall. Remember, how we sit is how we feel. So if you're all slumped over, you're telling your body that you're not feeling great, you're feeling tired or introverted. If we sit up, our state changes. So take a nice breath in, and I want you to squeeze that block. Really, really good. Squeeze it between your knees, and then gently release. Now this time I'm going to get you to bring your pelvic floor, or like you're holding a wee in, holding your urine in or something, you know, you're busting for a toilet. So here we go. Breathing in. And I want you to squeeze the block whilst also pulling up your pelvic floor. I think they call it Kegels in America. That's it, Kegels. Good. And you could also pull your stomach in as well and breathe at the same time. I know there's so much going on there. Good. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then we're just going to let it go. Good. We're going to do this 2 more times. Nice breath in. And just squeeze the block. Pull up your Kegels. I'll call them Kegels. Good. And pull the lower part of your belly in as well. And breathe. Just notice you can do all those things. Good. You don't have to hold your breath. And gently out. And the last time. Here we go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Pull everything up and in. Stomach, Kegels, inner block, inner thighs, all working. Breathing, breathing, breathing. And then, gently let go. Good. And the block can go. Come to the center. Walk yourself back into the chair. And we're just going to have a moment's relaxation. Just start to elongate your breath. 3 parts in, lower, middle, upper, lung, and then shh. deflate that balloon. Let the tire out. Good. 3 parts in. Closing down your eyes or lowering your gaze and letting the air out of that expanded tire. Good. Last time. Relaxing the shoulders, letting go of the jaw, and then sinking into the surface beneath you, the jaw, the chair that holds you and supports you. Noticing your feet on the floor, noticing your hands on your lap, letting your shoulders release and relax, letting your forehead and eyebrows completely relax and the eyeballs rest in their sockets. Just a couple of moments of noticing your natural breath, fully present in your body. That's good. Well done. Thank you for joining me in this short lower body chair yoga class. Namaste, angels. From my home in Mid Wales to yours. Have a wonderful day, and of course subscribe or comment. All these videos are on YouTube for your highest and best good, and any feedback just helps me improve whatever I share with you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.